In core 1, you met a method for finding the midpoint of 2 points. Quite a lot of the time you can do this just by looking at the points and it's obvious what's in the middle, but the formula has the advantage that it always works even when the numbers are awkward. Now you should remember that the basic idea is that we take the two x coordinates in green here, add them together and half the answer, and that gives us the x coordinate of our midpoint. And similarly we take the two y coordinates, add them together, being careful about any negative signs, and half the answer, and that gives us the y coordinate of the midpoint. So that's pretty much a recap of the core 1 work. Core 2 doesn't really take it any further except to say that it applies it to circles. So if we draw a circle and we have some information about it, so in the question here, exercise 4a, question 2, it says that P and Q are, or PQ is a diameter of the circle. So they're points on the circumference, not drawn that very well, but it goes through the centre. Q is 7, 8, and it therefore follows that PQ is, or the midpoint of PQ is the centre of the circle. You should remember from your GCSE days that the diameter, of course, is edge to edge, and if you want to Google the circle song, you can sing that to yourself. So the question simply asks us to find C, the centre of the circle. Using the fact that PQ is a diameter, all we need to do is find the midpoint of PQ. So let's just have a look at that formula again. All we do, if we do it over here, is we do -4 add 7, the two green coordinates and half the answer, and 6 add 8 over 2 purple coordinates. That is those are the coordinates of our midpoint. -4 add 7 is 3, so it's going to be 3 over 2. Let's leave it as a fraction. 6 plus 8 is 14, divided by 2, of course, is 7. So the centre, which is the midpoint of the diameter, is going to be 3 over 2, 7.